I'm Jeff Hader, Blount County Highway Superintendent.
I'm Jim Cox, Operations Manager for Highway.
Chico Messer, Assistant Highway Superintendent and County Engineer.
First one, recycling. Blount County, clean newspaper, clean cardboard, fluorescent bulbs, used oil, hazardous household waste. And so the more we got into that and learning about that portion, we started hearing about there's nowhere to take glass, and it's a big problem. And kind of self-serving, as we started to identify the 3/8 crushed glass is equivalent to 3/8 aggregate or rock that we buy from the quarry. At that point, we realized that we could use that in pipe bedding instead of aggregate. Basically, what it's turned back into. That was the first thing that intrigued us, and that would go for reflectivity into our paint and striping, shoulder stone, the bag you have in your hand. So in bad weather and snow, obviously we put out salt, we put out,
Extends the life.
extending the life of our Blount County landfill. Already put 7 to 8 years life onto our landfill. Now, she said it could be off the charts what taking glass out of the landfill and crushing it extends on the landfill. I'm sure you look at the two bags and you see mixed colors, and for the white sand, it's strictly clear glass only. We can take any glass except like in a car windshield. That's a neat process. Of course, it's not cheap. We're kind of out there on the edge, but we feel good about it. We're confident that we're doing something good.